Evidence of soul and spirit. Know that Allah Almighty made this human being consist of two different things, namely, the dark, thick mass, including under the events and destruction, al-kun wal fasid, arranged, is of an earthy nature which cannot carry out its affairs except with others. The single Johari soul which radiates, reaches, acts again to move and perfect the tools in the human body, either spiritual in nature such as the animal spirit, Tobi spirit etc., or physical in nature such as the brain and its parts etc. Allah Ta'ala arranges the bodies from the parts of food and takes care of them with the parts of the nutrients that melt absorbs into the body, provides the foundation, perfects the vital limbs, determines the limbs of the limbs and gives birth to the soul treasures from affairs the singular, perfectly perfect yet beneficial. It is not that I, Imam Ghazali, mean that soul is the power to obtain food. Not the force that moves lust, al-nafsu, and anger, it is not the force that is in the heart, al-kolbu, that gives birth to life, evokes taste and motion from the heart to the whole limb, for this fear is called the animal spirit. Taste, motion, orgasm are from this army of the animal spirit. The power of obtaining food that is and manages in the heart, al-kabad, is called Ru-Tobi. Digestion and rejection are from its properties. The powers of the form, giving birth, fertilizing and other Tobi powers all become servants of the body, and the body is a servant of the animal spirit, because the body receives the forces from the animal spirit and works according to its movements. In fact, what is meant by soul is Johar that is perfect and single, al-Johar al-Kamil al-Mufrad, whose work is only remembering, memorizing, thinking, distinguishing and observing, also accept all knowledge and never tire of accepting various abstracts that are clean from things. This treasure is the head of all spirits and kings. All forces all serve this treasure and uphold its command. This treasure is none other than the reasonable soul, al-Nafs and Nathako, which is given various names. Philosophers call this gem as a reasonable soul, al-Naf and Nathaka. The Quran calls it a calm soul, al-Nafs al-Mutamaina. The Quran also names it as Ru-Yurusan, al-Ru al-Amri. Tasawwuf scholars call it Kalbu, al-Kalbi. The difference is only in terms of the names only, but the meaning is one, there is no discrepancy. Therefore Kalbu and Ruinus as well as Yang Tanong, all the names are for Jiwa Barakal, al-Nafs al-Nathako. The rational soul is the living treasure, active, again attainable when called the Absolute Spirit or Kalbu. The point is this gem as well.